Here's a fun collab. Bailey's Irish Cream is partnering with something called ChaCha Matcha. It's wild. You can get it delivered through an outfit called Cocktail Courier. It includes a bottle of Bailey's, some ChaCha Matcha mix, which is like a powder, and then a little, what they call a matcha whisk, which is made of bamboo. Supposedly it's better than plastic or metal or whatever. And what else? Oh, you get the bandana and you get a cap. You also get this little stencil so you can, brand Bailey's on top of your drink if you want. But it comes with a bottle of Bailey's, a bottle of matcha golden tonic syrup, actually a couple of those, chai bitters, a powder bag, a pack. I mean, it's a lot of ingredients to make this. And then the hard stuff, the hard goods is the matcha whisk. I'm sorry, the Bailey's matcha whisk, the Bailey's ChaCha custom stencil, the Bailey's Double B's custom stencil, and then a trucker hat, the bandana, a recipe card, and an additional note card. Yeah, take the cookies, y'all. Come on, man. Here's how to make it. You shake the tonic bottle and you pour in to a 1 ounce rocks glass with ice in the same glass you pour Bailey's. And then you mix up the matcha mix and you mix it all together. I don't know. It looks like a pain in the neck. I don't know if I would ever do it, but whatever. I mean, I like Bailey's. I like the heck out of Bailey's. Cold, hot, doesn't matter to me. I like it in coffee. I like it on the rocks. So I'm all about Bailey's. Bailey's was created in 1974. It says it's the world's best-selling liqueur, like above every other liqueur. I don't think so. Bailey's, you're crazy. I mean, Kahlua is great. Tawaka. I can't think of another liqueur. Oh, do they call Grand Marnier a liqueur? Yeah. I mean, there's tons of liqueurs. I doubt if Bailey's is the world's best-selling liqueur. I guess you could say anything you want to say. Now, the Matcha Group themselves have their own fun little merch thing. I'm going to take a look at that for a second. They've got 1, 2, 3 colors of hoodies, green, pink, and black. Yeah. They've also got a matcha bowl, which you use to mix your matcha. You get your matcha mixer. So you get your matcha kit, which is a bowl and a whisk. It also comes with a measuring spoon, a sifter, and a whisk holder. A 15-day supply, but they're sold out of all that. But the whisk is supposed to be a big deal. $18 for a matcha whisk. So there you go. Anyway, the Cocktail Courier offers a cocktail delivery service that includes all the ingredients and instructions to create professional quality cocktails at home. This kit costs $60. I don't know how much a regular bottle of Bailey's is. I think about 30. So all this other stuff is 60. That's okay. Get your matcha on, y'all.